It all begins here, where the process of donkey milk production starts at sunrise.
Care and precision guide every step in donkey milk production. Hygiene is critical before the first drop in donkey milk production. Each drop is collected carefully in donkey milk production.
Quality begins right at the source in donkey milk production.
From farm to facility, the journey of donkey milk production begins.
The collected milk is secured for transport in donkey milk production.
Stability and temperature control protect donkey milk production in transit.
The journey from farm to factory begins in donkey milk production. Every mile maintains the integrity of donkey milk production.
Arrival marks the next stage of donkey milk production.
Inside the facility, donkey milk production continues with precision.
At the facility, donkey milk production moves into controlled environments.
Automation begins to guide donkey milk production forward.
Inside, donkey milk production enters a controlled processing stage.
Each batch is logged and verified in donkey milk production. From intake, donkey milk production advances to purification. In donkey milk production, sanitation begins with automated washing. Specialized solutions ensure thorough sanitation. Air drying prepares containers for hygienic handling. Manual inspection ensures only perfect units continue. Cleaned and verified, the process advances deeper into production.
Controlled piping systems ensure safe transfer. Temperature is maintained to preserve freshness.
Filtration removes microscopic impurities from the milk.
I keep bringing you useful AI-based videos. One like and subscribe. What really supports me? Watch till the end and share your thoughts in the comments.
Centrifugal force refines the purity of the milk.
The refined milk is now ready for transformation. Pasteurization begins the transformation in donkey milk production.
Precise heat ensures safety without compromising quality. Rapid cooling locks in freshness and stability. Homogenization ensures smooth and uniform texture.
Each batch is standardized for consistent quality.
Now the product moves toward advanced automation systems. Sensors ensure perfect alignment before filling. Each bottle is filled with exact measured precision. Branding is applied with consistent accuracy. Every step is monitored in real time for flawless operation.
Precision alignment prepares bottles for final finishing in donkey milk production.
Every bottle is polished to meet strict cleanliness standards.
Cap integrity is verified before quality approval.
Each unit is verified to ensure accurate fill levels. Final inspection guarantees visual perfection in every bottle.
Only approved products proceed to final quality validation.
In donkey milk production, quality is verified in a controlled lab environment.
Samples are collected for detailed analysis.
Advanced instruments measure purity and composition.
Microbial safety is ensured through precise examination.
Every batch must meet strict standards before release.
Once approved, the product advances to final packaging. The final stage of donkey milk production begins with organized packaging.
Automation ensures efficient and consistent carton filling. Each carton is securely sealed for safe handling. Finished products are stored under controlled warehouse conditions.
Products are carefully loaded for distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce donkey milk from start to finish. Comment what's next. Subscribe to like.